Hello, class. This is Professor Munshi, and welcome to Infotech Security ITSY 1442 class. I am making this video for you to make it easy on you to find assignments and do the assignments for this entire course. Some of you are new to this course and may not know all the bells and whistles, all your resources and how to find them on Ecampus and also on courseware. So what I'm discussing today is this. I'm going to discuss on Ecampus how you find out all your uh, discussion, all your courseware, videos and resources, syllabus, announcements, everything that's on Ecampus. Also, I'm going to go browse through the courseware and which is provided by UCertify, and I'm going to show you how to find your lessons, your readings, doing the flashcards, which is not graded but good for your practice, and your quizzes and labs and exams, which are graded. So let us get started. First, to the eCampus. Um, you need to access your eCampus homepage. Once you log into the homepage and go to the courses, you should be able to find out the courses that you are currently taking. Like right now, I am teaching in 2022 summer 2 courses. So here is the course that I'm talking about right now, ITSY 1442. So click on it. Okay. So if you are very much savvy how to use the eCampus, then you may not need this part of the video as much. But if you are new to it, it will be very helpful. I made this setup in a way that announcement page always comes first. So you will see my announcement, and I'll be making announcements every single week for you. So always log into eCampus very frequently and find all the announcement. Look at the syllabus. This is the syllabus link, and you find here the actually copy of the syllabus. You click on the PDF, there it is. So read through. It is very, very essential that you go through the syllabus all the way, read every line of it. It is very important that you read and understand the syllabus. That's the first thing you should do about this course. You can download the syllabus by clicking here and save it into your computer. Okay, going back. Next one is assignment. This is an extremely essential link. Okay, once I complete the video, this video that I'm making right now, I am going to place the link of this video right here under this how to get started on this course. So you're not seeing that video link yet. Go a little bit down on the assignment, which you should be visiting multiple times every single week to know what is due in that week. For example, here is your course schedule. So find out, and this is organized week by week. So week number 1, June 6 to 12, here is what the assignments are due. You read and understand the syllabus, complete the weekly class discussion, and I'll show you how to get to the class discussion in a minute, and complete the pre-assessment test in the courseware. The pre-assessment test you're going to find in the courseware. I will show you later also in this video how to access that. Learn the lesson 1 in the courseware. So once you go to the courseware, then you're going to find the pre-assessment test, you're going to find the lesson 1, you're going to find the quiz, and you're going to find all the labs. Again, all of these are going to be in the courseware, which I will access next after I finish with the links on the eCampus. Okay, and here I have some additional explanation for you, additional instruction for you. And which labs are we talking about? Which labs are due this week? This is how you know. You look at here, these are the 2 labs that are due in this week. And always remember, our week begins on Monday, ends on a Sunday. The first week began on a Monday, June the 6th, and it will end on Sunday, June the 12th. Okay, so week by week. Then week number 2, you will know exactly what assignments are due in this week. Okay, and what labs are due, you know it from right here. So that's how you go week after week and find out all the assignments. Okay, now let's look at the next link for you. That's your class discussion. So let me click on the class discussion here. Let me see if I could make the window a little bit bigger perhaps. Okay, easier. Okay, So class discussion. So here I have week number 1 discussion. You read the instruction. Again, I click on I'm on the eCampus. On the left pane, I click on the class discussion, brings it here. Week number 1. Week number 1, this class discussion will remain visible to you until the June the 12th. After that, week number 2 will begin. You will no longer have an opportunity to see the class discussion for week number 1. Okay, every week you're going to have the discussion for that week only, and after that it will disappear. Only the new week's discussion will be available to you. Now, what to do? It already says exactly. There are 2 steps you have to take. One step, you're going to create a new post, also called a new thread. Create a new thread and answer these 4 questions that are here. And in step number 2, you're going to reply to another student's posting. Okay, if you go more down, what you see here is a peer support. This one is gonna stay. This is another discussion that's gonna stay throughout the semester. This is for helping each other. If you have a question, hey, how do I find the labs? How do I find the assignment? Some kind of question that you have, you may get help from your fellow classmates. So you just click on here and you can create a new post, new thread. Right here, create a thread, ask your question. Or you can see if somebody else is asking the question, you see it here. You go into here and see, oh, somebody asked a question here. Okay, do I have to purchase the ebook or does it comes with the tuition? Another student came to help this student, and this person is saying, if you did not opt out, any books or other technology needed for the class is included in your tuition. Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to go back to the class discussion again. So here is the week 1 discussion. How do I do that? Click on this week 1 discussion. Click on this place, on this title, and see all the students who have participated in this discussion. Okay, and how do you participate in the discussion? Click on create thread, which all of you know because all of you have done that. Maybe 1 or 2 people or a few people still have not done this. So for you, it's a new thing. Create the thread and you write your subject, write what you like to answer all the questions, and then submit to post the thread. Okay, after it is done, then you again go here, reply to one of your fellow students thread. It's like this student right here. If I click on it, then I see his posting. I can reply to this student if I want to. Okay, now that was next would be, I'm going to go to the course content. Course content is the one that I'm going to go to show you inside the courseware. Before I do that, I'm going to do that at the end. So I can go to the courseware and show you all the lessons and quiz and etc. Professor Munshi, this is another link. What I have here, I'm going to create this kind of video, and also occasionally I'm going to create some videos that will be for like to explaining chapters to you to help you study. Any kind of helpful resources that I'm going to create for you, I'm going to post it here under the Professor Munshi under this folder. Okay, now notice next, test of engagement. Sometimes some of the students may not be engaged with the course. I will have occasional periodic testing, like I guess 3 of them, mini test 1, mini test 2, mini test 3. You're going to find that on your syllabus, and also under this assignment course calendar, it's there. It's nothing new. Already it says in the course calendar in which week and when this test will take place. But you're going to find that mini test here under this link, test of engagement. Okay, if you need help, if you need to get help from your fellow students, you can find help from me directly. You can ask me a question via email, or you can have a virtual meeting with me. So you click on this need help, this icon, this link, and get help from your classmate. Here is the forum. You can post your question in the forum and your fellow students may help you answer that. Another one, get help from your instructor. That's me. So it shows exactly how to get my help. If you need any help, you send me an email. And if you think that you want a virtual meeting with me, then here's what you need to do. You need to first send me an email to reserve a time slot. My availability for virtual meetings are Monday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's my time. So you email me and tell me that you need a time within that hours, or if it's another hour, just let me know. and I can accommodate you as much as I can. So after the appointment has been confirmed, then you click on this following link to join the meeting. Then you're going to click on this link, and Microsoft Team is going to open, and we can connect with each other virtually at that hours after you have reserved the time. Okay, that's your eCampus. Now let me show you in the course where. Click on the course content. Course content, I'm here. Access course materials here. Click on it. Here we are in the U-Certify courseware. Okay, and since I'm the instructor, I'm going to click on here, manage as instructor. Okay, I am gonna go to the design. Okay, perhaps I'm going to go to the student view. So that will be similar to what you see, how you see from your end. So click on the student view. This is what probably you are going to see. Lessons, labs, practice tests, post assessments. Here is the pre-assessment, which is due this week. Be sure to do your pre-assessment. By the way, I want to tell you that the pre-assessment will be graded for your completion of the task. Does not matter how many questions you answered correctly, how many questions you got incorrect, what score you made. Regardless of that, if you have answered all the questions for this test only, that doesn't apply to any other test. Be clear on that. Only for the pre-assessment, because this test is testing you before you learn the course, testing your knowledge. So before you learn the course. So of course I'm not going to hold you for wrong answering. Just be sure to answer all the question, and you're going to get the full credit. I will give you the full point later. Even you know this even this course, so I may not give you the full point, but I will give you that credit. Not a problem. So let's look at the lessons. Click on the lessons. Here are all your chapters. So this week I guess we're going to have chapter 1. So right here, go to the chapter 1. I want you to read through this. Okay, go to next and next and next, 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 like that. Okay, 1.7, 1.8, all this summary. After that, next will bring you to the next chapter or so. But if you want to do lab flashcards, look at the bottom right here. If you see my mouse, click on the cards. That's going to take you to the flashcards. Flashcards are not graded, but I highly encourage you to do the flashcards so you can learn. So click on the cards. Let me show you how they are. This is the flashcards. Click on the start flashcard. See, 10 cards, start. Now, confidentiality. What is confidentiality? You click on the flip, and it says, oh, a cybersecurity objective that ensures unauthorized individuals are not able to gain access to sensitive information. Oh, that's confidentiality. It's teaching you the definitions. Okay, and go to the next card right here, like that. You do the flashcard like that. Okay, I'm going to go back. Click on this go back to the main menu. Go back. Here you have quiz. Let me show you what the quiz looks like. Here is a quiz. You have to do it in the test mode. Just be sure to know, in the test mode, you're gonna have to do this, 20 items, and there should be 40 minutes. I don't know why it says 128 minutes. This is wrong. 2 hours. I'm not gonna give you that. I have not probably edited that yet. You're gonna have 40 minutes time. So you take the quiz, and go to the next. Which of the following categories. I'm not going to tell you the answer right now. So you just select the right answer, and then go to the next and next. At the end, you're going to have submit and end test. Either submit or end test button. This it's going to give you the result. Okay. Right now I'm going to end test anyway. So test is gone. I'm going to go ahead and end test. Okay. Now I'm going to go back. How do I go back to the main menu? All the way to the back at the bottom here. Go back. Click on it. Now let me show you the labs. That's very important. Every week you're going to have 2, 3, 4, like a number of labs due. Again, find that from the course calendar under assignments link. So now click on the labs. Here are 2 labs. Say I would like to do the first lab. So I click on the lab. If you're struggling with how to do the lab, watch this. Look, at the very bottom right here, it shows this UCali. Okay, UCali. That is your virtual machine. You have to turn it on. So click on it and on, turn it on. Be sure to do that. Okay. Be sure to do that. Now your machine is on. Your Kali machine, meaning you are basically having virtually a computer where Kali Linux operating system is installed. So you can use this machine now as if you have another laptop now that has Kali Linux operating system installed on it. So you can actually perform this this lab virtually. And here is this icon. You're going to be always using this icon called terminal. Once you go to the terminal, then the terminal shows up. Then you can type any commands. Okay, whatever commands you need to type, you can do all of this and perform the lab. Where is the instruction for the lab? On the right side, you get the instruction. Just follow one by one step at a time. On the terminal sidebar, click on the terminal icon, which I did. Okay. Then number two, you're going to type this command. Everything it shows exactly what to do. Exactly what to do it shows. Okay. However, I want to tell you that there is no way in the world that you're going to struggle with the lab, because a video demonstration of this lab is already presented to you also. All you have to do, go all the way down in the instruction. Go all the way down, all the way down. Here is the video. So even a video how to do the lab is already given to you. So just watch the video. So click on it, and you're going to watch this video that's going to teach you how to do this lab. Somebody is doing it for you. So learn from here and then go ahead and do it yourself. Okay. Anyway, so that's the video at the very end. Remember, at the very bottom, you got the video. Okay. So this is how you do your lab. So again, I'm going to close this lab right now from the close button at the bottom. Okay. I didn't submit. So, oh, once you finish the, lab, you're gonna have submit button. Be sure to get the submit button, and the lab is gonna say here correct or incorrect. It's gonna say that whether the lab is done correctly. Okay, it's gonna say attempted or unattempted, correct or incorrect. It's gonna tell you that. If you have not, if you got incorrect or you have not submitted, you're gonna have to do that lab again. But again, I give you unlimited try, unlimited attempt. So no worries, but you got to do the work. I am very flexible on that. I give you the whole week to do it. So do it at your time, and you can do as many times as you need to. Okay. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Here I'm in the dashboard. So here, and look at the pre-assessment. Click on the pre-assessment, and you can start the pre-assessment and answer all the questions one by one. I'm going to end the test here because I'm not actually going to take the pre-assessment test. So I end it. Very easy to find your pre-assessment. I'm going to go back again. Okay, I'm going to go back again. So once I go back, bring to the main menu again. So I have the lessons, okay, and cards, labs, quizzes, everything is there as you see. If you want to go back to the dashboard, here is where you go. See, you certify right here. These 9 little dots, that's the navigation icon. Click on the navigation icon. See, you can go to the dashboard. Pre-assessment, lessons, labs, testing, all this. I click on the dashboard, bring here again. Okay. Anyway, so I hope that this video is being very helpful to you or has been helpful. Let me know. I wanted you to help. I wanted all of you to get started and not struggle without knowing where to go, what to do, and so on. If you still have more questions, reach out to me by email, and off and on I may make some videos on about to help you study the chapters, help you understand some concepts from your course. So I'll try to do that also. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope that I will be hoping to see all of you are going smoothly, journeying through this course. Okay, bye.